الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ یہ سورہ دار ہے، 29ویں سپارے کی 76 نمبر سورت ہے۔ اس کی تلاوت آپ کے سامنے کرتا ہوں۔ بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ حل اتی علی الانسان حین من الدہر لم یکن شیئا مذکورا۔ In the name of Allah, the Beneficent and the Merciful. Hath there come upon man ever any period of time in which he was a thing unremembered? Inna khalaqnal insana min nutfatin amshaj. Lo, we created man from a drop of thick and fluid to test him. Nabtalihi fajalnahu samian basira. To test him, so we made him hearing and knowing. Inna hadaynahu sabila imma shakiran wa imma kafura. Lo, we have shown him the way, whether he is grateful or disbelieving. Inna a'tadna lil kafirina salasila wa aghlalan wa sa'ira. Lo, we have prepared for disbelievers manacles and carcans and raging fire. We have prepared for disbelievers manacles and carcans and raging fire. Inna al-abrara yashrabuna min ka'sin kana mizajuha kafura. Lo, the righteous shall drink of a cup whereof the mixture of the water of kafur. Ainan yashrabu biha ibadullahi yufajjirunaha tafjira. A spring wherefrom the slaves of Allah drink, making it gush forth abundantly. Yufuna bin nazri wa yakhafuna yawman kana sharruhu mustatira. Because they perform the vow and fear a day whereof the evil is widespreading. Yutimuna at-ta'ama ala hubbihi miskinan wa yatiman wa asira. And feed with food the needy, wretched, the orphan, and the prisoner for the love of him. Innama nut'imukum liwajhillahi la nuridu minkum jazaan wala shakura. Saying, we feed you for the sake of Allah only, we wish for no reward nor thanks from you. Inna nakhafu min rabbina yawman abusan kamtarira. Though we fear from our Lord a day of frowning of fate. فَوَقَاهُمُ اللَّهُ شَرَّ ذَلِكَ الْيَوْمِ وَلَقَّاهُمْ نَضْرَةً وَسُرُورًا. Therefore Allah hath warded off from them the evil of that day, and hath made them find brightness and joy. وَجَزَاهُمْ بِمَا صَبَرُوا جَنَّاتٍ وَحَرِيرًا. And hath awarded them for all that endured a garden and silk attire. متكئين فيها على الأرائك لا يرون فيها شمسا ولا زمهريرا. Reclining there upon couches, they will find there neither heat of the sun nor bitter cold. فَدَانِيَةً عَلَيْهِمْ ظِلَالُهَا وَذُلِّلَتْ قُطُوفُهَا تَذْلِيلًا. The shade thereof is close upon them, and the clustered fruits thereof bow down. وَيُطَافُ عَلَيْهِمْ بِآنِيَةٍ مِّن فِضَّةٍ وَأَكْوَابٍ كَانَتْ قَوَارِيرَا. Goblets of silver are brought round for them, and beakers as of glass. قَوَارِيرَ مِن فِضَّةٍ قَدَّرُوهَا تَقْدِيرًا. Bright as glass, but made of silver, which they themselves have measured to measure of their deeds. وَيُسْقَوْنَ فِيهَا كَأْسًا كَانَ مِزَاجُهَا زَنْجَبِيلًا. There they are watered with a cup whereof the mixture is of the zanjabil. عَيْنًا فِيهَا تُسَمَّى سَلْسَبِيلًا. The water of a spring thereof named Salsabil. وَيَطُوفُ عَلَيْهِمْ وِلْدَانٌ مُخَلَّدُونَ خلدون إذا رأيتهم حسبتهم لؤلؤا منثورا. There serve them youths of everlasting youth, who, when thou seest, thou wouldst take for scattered pearls. فإذا رأيت ثم رأيت نعيما وملكا كبيرا. فإذا رأيت ثم رأيت نعيما وملكا كبيرا. When thou seest, thou wilt see their bliss and high estate. عاليهم ثياب سندس خضر واستبرق وحلوا أساور من فضة فسقاهم ربهم شرابا طهورا. Their remnants will be fine green silk and gold embroidery. Bracelets of silver will they wear. Their Lord will slake their thirst with a pure drink. Their Lord will slake their thirst with a pure drink. إن هذا كان لكم جزاء وكان سعيكم مشكورا. And it will be said unto them, Lo, this is the reward for you, your endeavor upon earth hath found acceptance. Inna nahnu nazzalna alayka al-Qur'ana tanzila. Lo, we have revealed unto thee the Quran, a revelation. Fasbir li-hukmi rabbika, so submit patiently to thy Lord's command. Fasbir li-hukmi rabbika wa la tuti' minhum asiman aw kufura. So submit patiently to thy Lord's command, and obey not of them, and guilty one or disbeliever. Wazkur isma rabbika bukratan wa asila. Remember the name of thy Lord at the morning and evening. وَمِنَ اللَّيْلِ فَاسْجُدْ لَهُ وَسَبِّحْهُ لَيْلًا طَوِيلًا. And worship him a portion of the night, and glorify him through the livelong night. إِنَّ هَؤُلَاءِ يُحِبُّونَ الْعَاجِلَةَ وَيَذَرُونَ وَرَاءَهُمْ يَوْمًا ثَقِيلًا. Lo, these love fleeting life, and put behind them the remembrance of a grievous day. نحن خلقناكم وشددنا أسرهم وإذا شئنا بدلنا أمثالهم تبديلا. We created them and strengthened their frame, and when we will, we can replace them, bringing others like them in their stead. إن هذه تذكرة فمن شاء اتخذ إلى ربه سبيلا. Lo, this is the admonishment that whosoever will may choose a way unto his Lord. وما تشاءون إلا أن يشاء الله إن الله كان عليما حكيما. Yet ye will not unless Allah willeth. Lo, Allah is knoweth wise. Yet ye will not unless Allah willeth. Lo, Allah is knower wise. يُدْخِلُ مَن يَشَاءُ فِي رَحْمَتِهِ. He maketh whom he will to enter his mercy. وَالظَّالِمِينَ أَعَدَّ لَهُمْ عَذَابًا أَلِيمًا. يُدْخِلُ مَن يَشَاءُ فِي رَحْمَتِهِ وَالظَّالِمِينَ أَعَدَّ لَهُمْ عَذَابًا أَلِيمًا. He maketh whom he will to enter his mercy, and for evildoers hath prepared a painful doom. صدق الله العظيم وصدق رسوله النبي الكريم ونحن على ذلك من الشاهدين. ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم وتب علينا إنك أنت التواب الرحيم.